Welcome back to my page. My name is Kweku Sikeni Abranche. That's my name, Kweku Sikeni Abranche. Guys, if it's your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the subscription button, the red one. Hit it, and then like the video, comment, and share the video. Let me know what you think. Here, we only learn about ways to travel abroad, especially in Asia, and the conditions is it like here. I say it, all of them. I spill the beans as it is. So guys, if it's your first time, don't forget to like, comment, watch a lot of videos. I have a lot of educative stuff I talk about in the video, and let me know what you think. Today, I'm talking about schools and centers to avoid in Vietnam. So obviously, there are certain schools and centers who are taking advantage of teachers, especially African teachers, European teachers, and even some of the native speakers. Some of these schools and centers have track record of not paying teachers for a very long period, to the extent that some of them have taken them to court, and some of them are still in court, and some of them, and they decide to form other substitute schools to recruit teachers. Fun. So guys, let's get into it. So some of these schools I'm going to mention, if you plan to come to work in Vietnam, never work with any of these schools that I'm going to mention. So number one on my list is APAX. 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 Now, APAX has a track record of failing to pay teachers for a very long time. They've done this for a very long period. They've done this to English teachers, European teachers, native teachers, and Africans, a lot of them. And they did it for like a number of years. So they were something else, changed to APAX, changed to something, and they keep changing. And so APAX is number one school. Some of the teachers have taken them to court. Some of the parents have taken them to court. Yet, they are still keep reforming. One of the schools that you should never work with in Vietnam is APAX. APAX. They have a track record of refusing to pay teachers for a longer time. So APAX is number one. And some believe that APAX, because now has sold the image, has tried to metamorphose into other schools and other centers who are recruiting schools, but still in the same APAX. So these are some of the suspected schools. They are suspected by teachers, some teachers who worked with them, that these schools are also affiliates of APAX. So number one is Explore Asia. Explore Asia. Explore Asia. People believe is one of the companies set up by APAX to recruit teachers, and they work with you for 1 year. Sometimes they won't pay you. Sometimes they will pay you. They will leave a whole lot of problems with you. So Explore Asia. Number two, that people believe that is also linked to APAX is Sydney School. Sydney School. Sydney School in Vietnam. They also believe that Sydney School is also part of, is a sister company of APAX. They also recruit you and they don't pay you. Some teachers have experience there, and so that is it. The next two is APAX Virtual School, AVX. APAX Virtual School. By now, APAX, you know that anything related with APAX, people will not go. So I'm just wondering. Some teachers went and worked with APAX Virtual School. They accepted the excuse that, oh, we are APAX Virtual School. We are not part of Asia. We are not part of APAX, and they got scammed. So that is it. Now the next school is STEAM Egerton. I don't know if I got it right. STEAM Egerton. I don't know if I got it right. STEAM Egerton. This school is also believed to be an affiliate of APAX, and some teachers have complained about them that they take you, they don't pay you, and so be careful of STEAM Egerton. The next school that also recruits teachers and do not pay them is Smart Start. Smart Start. So Smart Start School. Smart Start School. They've been reported that they also don't pay teachers, and so you've got to be careful about that school too. The next school is CMS Edu. CMS Edu. So CMS Edu has also been reported by certain teachers, and they are also believed to be a sister company of APAX, that they say they also don't pay teachers. The next school is English Now. English Now. English Now. So English Now has also been reported. So guys, we have groups and we decided to compile all these schools. So these schools were brought out by teachers who believed have not been paid for a longer period after working for some of these schools, and they are believed to be sisters of APACs. But don't forget, apart from APACs, the other schools are reported, they are not confirmed. Yeah, because sometimes it may be somebody's experience, it may not be another person's experience. And so apart from APACs, which has the big face taken to court, that is on record, the rest of the schools are reported. But then guys, it's just always very good to prevent yourself than to get into it and get into trouble. So these are some of the schools that have been reported as not paying teachers. They work with you and never pay you. So guys, if you want to come, or if you're already in Vietnam, anytime you get an offer from any of these schools, try to make a research on these schools and see if they are genuine. If they are, you work with them. If they are not, because by the time you are new in Vietnam, after teaching for 1 year, 4 months, 5 months, and they're not paying you and you want your money, it's going to be a problem. And you don't even speak their language. So if you try to report them, yes, you report them, but as to whether they work on it or not is a problem. APACs for a long time, for more than 3 years, have been reported, have been sent to court. Up to now, they've not paid back the teachers, and it's a problem. So guys, watch out for these schools and open your eyes. My name is Kweku Sikenya Brante. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe to join the family. We are learning every day. We are learning new things every day, so that you don't come here and face some of the things we face. And that's the reason why we are making this video, to tell you. All you need to do is to subscribe to support me, comment to support me, like the video to support me, and share the video as well. It's a wrap for today. I'm going to catch you another day.